Hey there. How's it going?
Hey, I'm good, thanks. I have been thinking lately about improving my English skills. Do you have any tips on the best way to learn English?
Absolutely. There are several effective ways to learn English. First off, immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. That means watching English movies, TV shows, and listening to English music. It helps you get accustomed to the language's rhythm and intonation.
That sounds like fun. I do enjoy watching movies and listening to music. Any recommendations on where to start?
Sure. For movies, you could start with classics like Forrest Gump or The Shawshank Redemption, as they have clear dialogue and captivating storylines. For TV shows, Friends or Breaking Bad are great choices. As for music, artists like Ed Sheeran or Taylor Swift have clear lyrics that can help you understand pronunciation and vocabulary.
Those are great suggestions. I will definitely check them out. What else can I do to improve my English?
Another important aspect is to practice speaking and writing regularly. Try finding a language exchange partner or joining online forums where you can communicate with native speakers. Additionally, you can start a journal in English to practice writing every day.
That sounds like a good idea. I have heard about language exchange apps. Do you have any experience with those?
Yes, I have tried a few. Apps like Tandem or HelloTalk are great for finding language partners. You can chat with native speakers, correct each other's mistakes, and even have voice or video calls to practice speaking.
That sounds really helpful. I will definitely give them a try. Is there anything else I should keep in mind while learning English?
Well, it's important to set realistic goals and be consistent with your practice. Learning a language takes time and effort, so don't get discouraged if progress feels slow. Also, don't be afraid to make mistakes, they are a natural part of the learning process.
That's reassuring to hear. I will keep that in mind. Thanks for all the advice. I am feeling more motivated to start learning English now.
You are welcome. I am glad I could help. Remember, consistency is key. Keep practicing and you will see improvement over time.
I have one more question. What about grammar and vocabulary? Any tips on improving those areas?
Of course. Grammar and vocabulary are crucial aspects of language learning. For grammar, you can use online resources like Grammarly or the British Council's Learn English website. They offer explanations, exercises, and quizzes to help you grasp grammar rules effectively.
That sounds helpful. I will be sure to check them out. And what about vocabulary?
Building vocabulary can be fun. You can start by reading English books, newspapers, or online articles. Whenever you come across a new word, make a note of it and try to use it in sentences to reinforce your understanding. Flashcard apps like Anki or Quizlet are also great for memorizing vocabulary.
That makes sense. I will start incorporating reading into my routine and use those apps to expand my vocabulary. Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem. Remember, the key is consistency. Try to learn a few new words every day and review them regularly to make sure they stick.
Got it. I am excited to get started on my English learning journey. Thanks again for all the valuable advice.
Anytime. I am here to support you along the way. Let's both commit to improving our English skills together.
Absolutely. We can keep each other motivated and accountable. Thanks for being such a great friend.
Likewise. All right, let's go conquer the world of English together. Talk to you soon.
Sounds like a plan. Talk to you later.
Bye for now.
Bye. Hey there. How's your English learning journey going?
Hey. It's been going pretty well, thanks for asking. I have been sticking to the routine we discussed, watching movies, practicing speaking with language exchange partners, and working on grammar and vocabulary. How about you?
I'm making progress too. I have been watching a lot of English shows and reading articles online. I also found a great language exchange partner who's helping me improve my speaking skills. It's been challenging, but definitely rewarding.
That's awesome to hear. It's all about staying consistent and pushing through the challenges. Have you noticed any improvements in your English skills?
Definitely. I feel more confident in my speaking and writing, and I'm starting to understand English conversations better. I even had a conversation with a native speaker the other day, and they said my English sounded great.
That's fantastic. It's amazing to see your hard work paying off. Keep up the good work.
Thanks. I could not have done it without your support and guidance. Learning English has been such a fulfilling experience, and I'm excited to continue improving.
I'm really proud of you. Remember, language learning is a journey, so keep setting goals and challenging yourself. And if you ever need any help or encouragement, I'm here for you.
Thanks, friend. I really appreciate it. Let's keep pushing each other to become even better at English.
Absolutely. We have got this. Talk to you soon.
Talk to you later.
Hey, before we go, do you have any specific goals you are working towards in your English learning journey?
That's a great question. I have been thinking about it, and I would love to be able to confidently hold conversations in English without hesitating or feeling nervous. Also, I want to improve my writing skills so I can express myself more effectively.
Those are excellent goals. Confidence in speaking and writing is key to mastering a language. How about setting some smaller, measurable goals to help you track your progress?
That sounds like a good idea. Maybe I can set a goal to have at least one conversation in English with a native speaker every week, and to write a short essay or journal entry in English once a week as well.
That sounds like a realistic and achievable plan. Remember to celebrate your achievements along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Progress is progress.
Absolutely. I will definitely celebrate each milestone as I reach them. Thanks for the encouragement and support.
Anytime. We are in this together. Let's keep motivating each other and pushing towards our goals.
Definitely. Thanks again for being such an amazing friend and language learning buddy.
Likewise. All right, let's go conquer the world of English together. Talk to you soon.
Talk to you later.